By
observing road safety best practices and opting for active and sustainable modes of transport.
We asimwe Adonis omwe aho batebekanisa umushomogu ayorekere ko abantu bona bine kumanya ngo umuhendo gw'abantu guriyo no gweyongera nahabwe cyo buryo omwe ashemerire kubanza kuteka tekero umuhendo gu hatakagizere ntunguke yabaho.
Income status, look at other factors. Are we able to meet such standards, to have our life well insured, to have our safety at road? Do we have all the money that is necessary? Do we have all the space that is necessary? Basically, do we have the money?
Aaron ayongere yashoborera kuguryo mwuga gwa government okutekaho umuringo ogukurwanisa mwe byo byona ebiro kushishe byo buhangwa hamwe n'enkoze sambi yebyiruka hanguto.
Government accountable for their global and national commitments to deliver healthy and sustainable mobility for all.
Omushomogu ogubire guryo gwo kubangura iminyeto omunkozi sayebye ntambara hanguto okumanya amateeka okureba ngwe nguto nuzombekwa hamwe no ko muntu yakubasa kukozesa kandi akarinda ibyo buhangwa bire gutebekanisibwe kitongore echa USAID.
Encouraging cycling, encouraging walking, encouraging things of the nature that is not competing with the environment, and of course adopting a transport model system where maybe the government builds trains, trams, or puts their buses. Now the likes of Kayora is a good example of how if maybe we all use Kayora, whether in Ibanda, whether in Chegegwa, whether in Kamwenje, whether where, then we can really reduce on the greenhouse gas emissions, on these emissions that are done by these vehicles.
Gashakwa Job Kato ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga.